Hey guys, welcome to Vizlogue's YouTube channel. I'm really excited to start my first YouTube channel and of course Vizlogue's first YouTube channel. For those of you who don't know, Vizlogue is a data visualization and storytelling lab. Vizlogue's mission and my mission is to help companies communicate more effectively with data. Vizlogue truly is a cross point in my journey, in my data visualization journey. I started Vizlogue after almost 3 years of teaching data visualization at both DePaul University and at the University of Chicago. So, about this YouTube channel. Well, let me start by telling you a story. A while back, I started following Adam Grant on LinkedIn. And for those of you who don't know who Adam Grant is, he's the author of Originals and the author of Option B, which he wrote together with Sheryl Sandberg from Facebook. And on LinkedIn, Adam had this series of videos called Work in 60 Seconds. And I used to love those videos. I learned so much about work, in 60 seconds. So then it occurred to me, why not talk about data visualization in, you guessed, 60 seconds? I personally think that there's a lot that one can learn and should learn in 60 seconds. So get ready, next week you'll hear me in the first Data Viz in 60 seconds video. Stay tuned.